popsicle stick, put it on, and then and we put it on Elmer's glue, and then we put Elmer's glue on a popsicle stick, and the other side, I made Elmer's glue on the popsicle stick, and then Mom did 3 sides, and also
What is it, Edmond?
a coaster,
Can you show it to the camera?
and we made all of it by. It all started by we took a popsicle stick, put glue on this side, and then Mom put glue on this side and this side and this side, and I put glue on this side, and I stuck a popsicle stick on here, and then I spreaded glue all over here, and then put popsicle sticks on these 2.
What do you have to say at the end of the video?
I don't know.
Is there anything else you want to say?
No.
Okay.